Hello everyone, I am Dr. Naurang Manikrao. Title Calculus of Residues, Program BSc, Subject Mathematics, Semester 5th Semester, Paper Complex Analysis, University Gulbarga University Kalaburgi, Session 59. Unit 4, Calculus of Residues, Fixed points and cross ratio. Recapitulation. In the previous classes, we have studied about the different types of points and ratios. In this semester, we are going to learn what are the fixed points and cross ratio. Learning objectives. Students to gain knowledge of fixed points and cross ratio. Outcome. Students will get ideas of defining fixed points and cross ratio. Fixed points of bilinear transformation. The points which coincide with their transformations, that is z equal to w, are called invariant points or fixed points of the bilinear transformation. The fixed points of w equal to t of z are obtained by the equation z equal to w, that is equal to t of z. Z equals az plus b divided by cz plus d by the definition of bilinear transformation. This implies cz square minus a minus d into z minus b equals 0. This implies z equals a minus d plus or minus root m divided by 2c, where m equals a minus d whole square plus 4bc. The number fixed points is 1 or 2 according as m equals 0 or m not equal to 0. We have the following results. First one, if c not equal to 0 and m not equal to 0, two finite fixed points. If c not equal to 0 and m equal to 0, one finite fixed point. If c equal to 0 and a minus d equal to 0, one fixed point, that is infinity. If c equal to 0 and a minus d not equal to 0, one finite fixed point and other is infinity. Cross ratio. If z1 comma z2 comma z3 comma z4 are distinct points, then the ratio z4 minus z1 and z2 minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1 and z4 minus z3 is called the cross ratio of z1 comma z2 comma z3 comma z4 taken in order and is denoted by z1 comma z2 comma z3 comma z4. Tick of writing the cross ratio z1 comma z2 comma z3 comma z4. Starting with z1, write the four elements z1 minus z2, z2 minus z3 comma z3 minus z4, z4 minus z1 in cyclic order. Put the first element in the numerator, the second in the denominator, third in the numerator, and the fourth in the denominator. Number of distinct cross ratios. 4 points z1 comma z2 comma z3 comma z4 can permute themselves in 4 factorial, that is equal to 24 ways. Thus 24 cross ratio can be obtained according to the order in which the points are taken, but it is easy to verify that they are equivalent to 6 different cross ratios. That is, z1 comma z2 comma z3 comma z4 is equal to z2 comma z1 comma z4 comma z3, that is equals to z3 comma z4 comma z1 comma z2, that is equal to z4 comma z3 comma z1 comma z2. This is equation 1. Similarly, z1 comma z2 comma z4 comma z3 equals to z2 comma z1 z3 comma z4 equals to z3 comma z4 z2 comma z1 equals to z4 comma z3 z2 comma z1. Equation 2. Next to z1 comma z3 comma z2 comma z4 equals z2 comma z4 comma z1 comma z3, that is equal to z3 comma z1 comma z4 comma z2, that is equal to z4 comma z2 comma z3 comma z1. Equation 3. Next one, z1 comma z3 comma z4 comma z2, that is equal to z2 comma z4 comma z3 comma z1, that is equal to z3 comma z1 comma z2 comma z4, that is equal to z4 comma z2 comma z1 comma z3. Equation 4. Next to z1 comma z4 comma z2 comma z3 equals to z2 comma z3 comma z1 comma z4, that is equal to z3 comma z2 comma z4 comma z1 equals to z4 comma z1 comma z3 comma z2. Equation 5. And z1 comma z4 comma z3 comma z2 equals z2 comma z3 comma z4 comma z1, that is equals to z3 comma z2 comma z4 comma z1, that is equal to z4 comma z1 comma z2 comma z3. It can be verified that if lambda denotes any one of the cross ratios in equation 1, then the ratios in equation 2, equation 3, 4 and 5 and 6 are lambda divided by lambda minus 1, comma 1 minus lambda, comma 1 minus lambda divided by lambda, comma 1 by lambda respectively.